My name's Andrew, and I work for Colorado State University in the Western region. I am here to talk today a little bit about the science of sound for our STEM Power Science video series. I have with me here my Tractor S4 audio mixer, and I'm going to be doing some sound experiments with you today based on harmonics. And now what harmonics is, it's a fancy word for stuff that sounds good, and we're going to do a quick experiment to see if four different sounds can come together and make a song. So I have mapped each individual sound to a different track on my mixer. I'm going to pan the camera down in just a second. We're going to listen to four tracks. You're going to watch those tracks pan across the top of the screen, and so you can hear when they cut in and when they cut out. And then at the end, we're going to listen to all four tracks playing at the same time, and we're going to see if that sounds good or we're going to see if it sounds like total chaos. So keep that in mind as we're going through these tracks. I'm going to play a bass track, a drums track, an arpeggiator, and a pad track. So those are the four elements that are going to come together, and we're going to see if they sound good or not. And you don't need anything for this experiment. This is more of a demonstration. But I will tell you that there are a number of free DJ softwares out there. So as you can see here, this is the left deck on my Tractor S4 mixer. I have mapped the drums, the bass, the arpeggiator, and the pad to these four buttons here. So you'll see these four buttons. I'm going to play each individual track, and we'll just take a listen real quick. Super simple bass line there, or drum track, excuse me. Now let's listen to the bass line. The bass line is going to be the yellow sound wave that you see up above. So here we go with the bass. Okay, you get the idea there. Now we're going to listen to the arpeggiator. And last but not least is our friend the pad. And the pad is going to be more the voice of this track, you could say. Okay, to see the pad coming up, we're going to play it. Okay, so we've listened to all four individual tracks, so let's just give it a listen.